Objectives: produce radio waves, detect radio waves. Materials: 225 cm copper wire, C or D battery, electrical tape, fork, portable radio. Procedure 1. Tape one end of the first wire to one end of the battery. Tape one end of the second wire to the other end of the battery. Procedure 2. Wrap the loose end of the wires tightly around the handle of the fork. Procedure 3. Turn on the radio to the AM band and move the selector past all stations until you reach static. Procedure 4. Hold the fork close to the radio. Stroke the free end of wire across the fork's prongs. Procedure 5. At a distance of 15 centimeters from the radio, stroke again the free end of the wire across the fork's prongs. Procedure 6. Repeat step 5 at a distance 20 centimeters from the radio.
Introducing Heinrich Hertz.
I'm Heinrich Hertz, a German physicist, the one who proved the existence of radio waves in the late 1880s. I used a spark gap attached to an induction coil and a separate spark gap on a receiving antenna. When waves created by the sparks of the coil transmitter were picked up by the receiving antenna, sparks would jump its gap as well.
Conclusion of the experiment. You can observe in the video that if you stroke the fork's prongs with the wire, it produced noticeable static sound. The changing of position affects the static sound of the radio, and may also change the static sound according to the distance from the radio. So, in conclusion, we can say that the static sound produced by radios are waves that have been interrupted by natural electromagnetic atmospheric noise and man-made radio frequency interference by electrical devices. Explanation of static sound produced by the radio. Radio noise is a combination of natural electromagnetic atmospheric noise, spherics, static created by electrical processes in the atmosphere like lightning, man-made radio frequency interference RFI from other electrical devices picked up by the receiver's antenna, and thermal noise present in the receiver input circuits, caused by the random thermal motion of molecules.
Thank you for watching.